National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dewitt County in central Illinois, McLean County in central Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Danvers, or 9 miles west of Bloomington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bloomington around 9:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Highworth, Downs, Leroy, Farmer City, and Saybrook. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 145 and 157, between mile markers 173 and 177, and between mile markers 180 and 181. Interstate 74 between mile markers 134 and 160. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.